Welcome to Blue Rose, a page for women's empowerment to learning beauty culture course basic in English. This classes is also we are taking in Tamil version. Whoever else needed, please view in our playlist. Our channel aim is a homemaker want to become an interpreter. Please support us and subscribe our channel to watch continuously. You'll get the next video in by clicking the bell icon. Let's go to the today class topic is threading, theory class. Before that starting the today classes, just we will review about the last classes. Why beautician needed to learn threading and why it is important we have reviewed. Client why they are giving always importance for this eyebrow mainly when compared to other services. It has also been provided. Shaping the eyebrow by dividing into three parts are also been discussed. Procedure of eyebrows and massaging procedure also we have been discussed. By holding the thread procedure we have been discussed. Only all theory we have been discussed, not practical. We will see the practical classes in the next class. Today also theory class we are going to see different types of eyebrow with respect to face, different types of faces, different method of hair removing, and due to its hair growth level how it changing, all we are going to review today. Okay, we will go to the today class. Here I shown the various types of eyebrows are been listed fully by from 98% these are all types of eyebrows only covering for every people. So I am talking about only women's, not men's. It is not topic. This topic is not for only men's. Men's with respect to face, this type of eyebrow they will not provide. Only for women's we are seeing. So okay, what all eyebrows means? Rounded low arch, rounded medium arch, rounded high arch, soft angle low arch, soft angle medium arch, soft angle high arch, hard angle, flat, S shape, straight high arch. These are all the eyebrows. So with respect to the age, with respect to the face, we will give the thin, medium, thick, this types where various we will followed by we will provide the shape. Okay friends, it is too complicated to keep in mind. I know it is too complicated, but just reference for a theory, you keep it this. In next slide, I given some 5 main eyebrow shapes. We should remember these 5 is means this that is enough sufficient. So keep in mind that they are arched, steep arch, S shape, round, straight. Okay, here also with respect to the face, with respect to the age, we will give thin, thick, medium, followed by that we will make the eyebrow shapes. These 5 shapes is sufficient. 97% these 5 shapes will be repeated again to give the with respect to the face we will shapen the eyebrows. So again I am telling, keep in mind this 5 main eyebrow shape is sufficient. Okay friends. Next, with respect to the face I have told. Okay, what all faces are there? There like that we come to know. They are oval, long, round, square and heart and diamond. So these are all the faces are been shown in the figure slide. Please refer that. For oval shape, forehead will be long, chin will be short, medium type of arch they will given. The eyebrows will be medium arch. For long faces, forehead also long, chin also long, looking like overall long. So the eyebrows will be very straight. For round faces, cheeks will be there thicken. So this due to these cheeks, they looks like a round. Chin level also medium, forehead also medium. So for them will be deep arch will be there. For square type, chin level is look like low level. So the chin area is looking like rectangle, gives a square order. So for them bridge type of eyebrows are being followed. For heart shape, you can see in the forehead looking like heart in shape it has been following. So medium type of arches are given. For diamond shape looks like stone is there. So they given for deep arch they are given. Okay, with respect to the face, we need to start our homework activities. So seen any cine actors, any the other outside people, so how they are done the eyebrows with respect to the face, start watching that. So by watching, learning, you can, while doing the eyebrows, you will get the fast understanding and you can complete the process very quickly. So it will be very helpful. So outside also, very aged people how they are given the eyebrows, for middle aged people how they are doing the eyebrows, and for the small below 20 years people how they are doing the eyebrows. Just to look after that. So depend upon their faces that the shapen will be designing, so that you can learn from that, you can start learning. Next, plucker or tweezing. Tweezing means it is a method by using plucker as shown in the figure. By using this equipment, plucker, this equipment is called plucker. By using this equipment, by removing the hair is known as tweezing method. This is also the one of the method. Just we want to come to know that, because some of the people are not following the threading process, because some they will do at the home itself. So we should know what all the types varieties are there. We should know as a theory. I have been provided the theory also. Okay. Threading method, plucker method, both these method is there to shapen the eyebrows. For that, what is the difference? We come to know that. We are going to discuss about that. For threading method, it will take very less time when compared to the plucker method, because at one time we will pull the more than one hair, we will pull it. In plucker method, one by one hair only able to pull it, so it will take more time. Threading method will be less pain, but actually pain will be there when compared to plucker method. Pain will be very less, but in plucker method having more pain. Some one hair will be we are pulling, the thickened hair only going to pull, it gives the more pain. Can able to give the arch and perfect shape in threading. In plucker method cannot able to give the perfect shape, because we are not able to pull the small hairs and all. Threading method, because by using the thread we are removing hair, that can be practiced, trained only can be able to do. So training person only able to do. In plucker method, whoever else can be able to do at home. Able to achieve neat finish in threading. But in plucker method, neat finish will not be there, because the small hair we are not pulling. So neat finish will not be there. Next slide, what all method of hair removing is there? We want to know that, because then only we can know hair growth, we can analyze that. For that reason, we have been explained the different types of hair growth. They are hair removal by waxing method. By sugar syrup, using the sugar syrup, we are removing the hairs as shown in the figure. Next, by using the cream, we are removing the hair. Cream is available in the market. Some people are using cream and removing the hair. Some people are doing shaving, that is razor method. Razors means shaver like gents, it is available for ladies also. With respect to the skins, it is available in the market. So some ladies are using razors also. It is their blade only will be there, but it will not be too much sharp. So means it is not too much sharp. Those type of shaver it is available. By using that, they are doing the removing the hair. Next is laser method. It is a electrolysis method. From this method we can remove the hair permanently, but we need to do the 6 to 7 settings sometimes, and more than 9 settings also we need to do for some people. So depend upon the area, that number of times will be there, cycle time will be there. So permanently we can be able to remove the hair. What the system is following means, from the root level we are burning from root level, because the hair root level gets burning. Again some drop is there, means again it will start from regrowth. We are we are doing the burning process, so that the permanently hair will not get grow further. This type of method is called laser method. In next slide, here I shown the Already I told from this various method we can come to know the level of hair growth, we can come to know. Okay, refer the picture. Razor method, cream method, waxing method, threading or plucker method and laser method. So from this method only I have already shown. The razor method, the hair is removing above the skin. In cream method, just below the skin, it is removing the hair. In waxing method, middle of the skin, means a middle area, it is removing. Threading and plucker method, above the hair root level, it is removing. In laser method, the treatment is doing, that means the hair treatment is removing at the root level. So depend upon this only the hair growth is there. We need to answer if any client is asking anything, if the why for me only hair growth is there, why it is not, hair is not growing, something problem means we need to know about this detailing. For that only I have been explained the what are all methods of hair removal, and depend upon that method how the growths are there, we can come to know. Okay, next. Okay, maximum theory classes 98% or about the threading classes I covered, entire theory I have covered. It will be most helpful for you. And not only that, finally I will provide the hints also. For perfect eyebrow, perfect thicken darken eyebrow, we want means use kajal always. So at the child stage itself, if we started to keep the kajal means we will get the perfect and thicken eyebrows darkenly at the teenage age. Okay. So if you are already aged people, a middle aged people, you want to thicken the eyebrow means, then what you want to do means use castor oil before going to bed. Use castor oil with kajal up and drawn on above the eyebrows. Day by day if you do it means then you will get the thickest eyebrow quickly. Okay. While attending the client, it may be helpful. What means some people will be having eyebrow between the eyebrow means in eyebrow, with the eyebrow they will get some cuts will be there, that is called intervals. From that some cannot able hair growth will not be there. So they may feel, if they feel means due by using the tattoo can be able to embroider it with respect to their hair color. So some distance from some distance cannot able to find that the embroidery tattoos or any difference, we cannot able to find it. It's look like a eyebrow only. This can be do, or any deep damage for the accident, anything also can be done. That time they will remove the eyebrows entirely, can be able to draw also fully by using the tattoos. Okay friends, the maximum theory fully I covered. I think you understand you very well, and any doubts further is there, you please put on the comment box so that we will discuss further, and I will explain also. In next class, step by step the practical will be there. It will help us to improve in a lot. Okay, thank you once again.